I just checked the time. That's why I said it was 20 minutes to because, right, it's gal time.
It's gal time.
It's gal time.
Them.
It's officially gal time. Lady Lalabella.
Wagwan.
It's that time.
It's the gal time.
It's the gal time. What happens at gal time?
Time to bust a wine.
Oh.
Time to bust a wine.
Oh.
It's gal time.
Bad your bad your bad. I gal time. Bad your bad your bad. Eh eh eh. Bad your bad your bad. I gal time. Bad your bad your bad. Eh eh. Shake a little. Bend over and make bumper jiggle. Wind down and go round in a circle. Wind down and go round in a circle. Then stand up now and dip on your toe. Dip 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 on your toe.
Got instructions.
See, that KQueens.
It's got instructions so everybody can do it. You just have to listen to the song, right? You just have to listen to and follow the instructions.
Yes.
Yo, you know what? Them say 1K bad.
But 2.
Trouble. Double K.
Then
Double K upon them. KQueens. Girl time. Let's go.
Bad your bad your bad. I gal time. Bad your bad your bad. Eh eh eh. Bad your bad your bad. I gal time. Bad your bad your bad. Eh eh eh.
Welcome to Island Heat. This is your hostess, Lady Lalabella. Want to get more trivia and new music from the hottest Caribbean artists based in Atlanta? Go subscribe to the Island Heat radio show on YouTube and click Get Notifications for exclusive content. Tap in and keep it locked.